Picture this, you just stepped into your brand new home and the counters are already a mess. All that soap scum, hard water, and stains can turn your shiny new kitchen or bath into a constant cleaning job.
Fortunately, one local company has a way to make surfaces easier to clean and keep them looking new longer. DelmarvaLife's James McDonald paid them a visit to them to see how the science behind their product actually works and how they are making the cleaning process practically disappear.
No matter how new your home is, it doesn't take long for soap scum, hard water, and stains to show up. Keeping surfaces spotless can feel like a full-time job. That is, unless you have Hydroshield.
We are a licensed applicator and dealer for Hydroshield Corporation, and Hydroshield makes products that we apply to hard to clean surfaces, such as granite, glass, porcelain, grout, quartz, tile, any other type of natural stone, marble, travertine, any of that kind of stuff.
Owner Denise Bateman says their products make those surfaces act like nonstick cookware.
They will still get dirty after we've treated them, but they will be easy to clean up and they will stay clean and stay looking new much longer.
The coating bonds with the surface to create a layer homeowners can't see, but definitely notice when it's time to clean. The earlier it's applied, the better the results.
It's definitely best if you have a brand new home. It's best to do it right away because when the surfaces have really never been used, haven't been soiled, the showers haven't had water or soap or anything like that on them, it's better. We can do it later. It just might cost a little bit more.
She says Hydroshield isn't limited to one room either. The coating works on everything from kitchen counters to outdoor granite and even bathroom glass.
We treat a lot of outdoor granite. Most of the outdoor stones are granite. That's the best stone to put in an outdoor kitchen. We do a lot of that. We do bathrooms. We can treat shower glass. Basically in a bathroom, we can pretty much treat the whole thing. If they have granite or quartz countertops, vanity tops, we can treat those. We can treat the porcelain sinks. We can even treat the toilet bowl. It basically just makes things easier to clean and doesn't allow the minerals from the water to build up on it.
Bateman knows what the results look like firsthand. She's used Hydroshield in her own bathroom for years.
We redid our bathroom and we obviously treated every surface in the bathroom, and it's 3 years old. It's used every day, at least once or twice a day, and it still looks brand new. The glass is not spotted. The shower grout is still the same color that it was when we installed it and everything. And I don't like to clean, so I don't clean every Saturday. I'm not one of those people. I do a lot of just little, if I see it, I clean it, and that's all it takes, and it stays looking clean.
Denise isn't the only one impressed. Word of mouth has kept Hydroshield busy, especially with repeat families.
We have one family that called us to treat their brand new house down in Bayside, and we did it, and then their parents moved to the area. They had us come in and treat their parents' new house. Then they moved to another house in Bayside, their forever home. They had us treat that. And in the meantime, her brother, who lives out of state, but not too far, just over the line in Pennsylvania, has had 3 houses, and they have begged us, and we've come each time and treated each of their houses for them. So in that family, we've treated 6 houses.
The process is straightforward. Once the product bonds, the surface is ready for use.
We go over the countertop basically with a fine-tooth comb and look at all the surface, make sure there's no imperfections, anything like that, and prep it with denatured alcohol. They wipe the whole thing down. It is immaculate. And then we apply our product. It goes through a covalent bonding process with that surface, and then once that's done, it basically becomes an inert product. When we leave, you're free to use the surfaces.
Once the Hydroshield team comes out, most homes can be treated in a day or 2.
We are happy to come out and do a free estimate anytime. And when we do an estimate, it's all itemized. So you can easily have us come out and do an estimate on an entire house and then only choose a few things if that's what's really important to you to treat right then.
Helping homes stay beautiful and making cleanliness effortless.
Denise tells us that Hydroshield also offers a variety of products to easily clean and preserve your surfaces. They can be purchased in person at their location in Lewis or anytime on their online store. I'll tell you though, she had me when she said, I'm not a Saturday cleaning person. I'm like, thank you.
Yeah, Steve was like, sign me up. Give me all the Hydroshield.
Oh, absolutely.